We're creating the same data in each test. Let's move that to Pytest fixtures. We start in TDD mode, code on the left, test on the right, test runner and auto run at the bottom. Let's run all of our tests just to ensure things are clean. Fixtures are decorators from Pytest, which needs an import. This decorator registers the function name as a fixture. For us, player under 1 will construct and return a player instance, and we provide type hinting along the way. To use the fixture, add it as an argument to a test. Pytest will find the fixture with that name and inject the result as the argument. Then, change the name used in the test and delete the earlier definition. All tests pass. We can then go to each of the other tests and do the same routine, placing an inline definition of the sample player instance with the injected fixture. Once done, all of our tests pass. Let's now make a fixture for the guardians. Since we'll use several, we'll make a fixture which creates 3 guardians that we previously used, then returns a tuple of them. We also supply type hinting. Wave the magic wand, the others are converted to use the fixtures. All of our tests still pass and are easier to reason about. Now we apply this to test on our guardian. Same routine. Use a decorator to declare a fixture, then a function with the name, by default, used as the fixture name. We then use this fixture in our tests as an injected argument which replaces the local definition of a guardian. Something looks wrong. Fixtures eliminate repetition, but we just basically cut and pasted this from the other test file. To share fixtures, copy this into a conftest.py file. This file can be in the current directory or any directory up to tests. Once copied over, we'll have some missing imports, which we can ask the IDE to help us clean up. We now have our test data, that is our fixtures, separate from our tests. Back in our guardian tests, the file is a lot simpler and the tests run fine. In the player tests, we now move the player under 1 fixture to the conftest.py and then clean up our test, including removing the unused imports. Fixtures in conftest made a big difference in readability here, and the tests still pass. Since fixtures are an indirection, PyCharm helps sort out the magic. As you saw, we can autocomplete. In fact, it's a context-aware autocompletion. We can also hover to see type information and navigate to the fixture definition. You can even refactor rename from a usage, preview the changes that this refactor rename will make, and it will change the declaration and all the usages, and then you can do undo to put everything back. After the undo, all the changes from the refactor rename in all the files are undone.